Hello everyone, welcome to this video session on the concept advertisement model questions solved. This is the continuation of my earlier video on concept advertisement model questions solved session 40. This is the part of Compulsory Foundation Course in English, the English language paper of the course BCA, BSc, BA, BCom, BSW 4th semester at Mangalore University. Welcome to today's discussion. Let's go through the remaining 5 model questions today. At the end of the last video, we are left with 5 model questions. Now let us take up the discussion of those 5 model questions. Let's come to the first one of today's video, that is a new natural herbal product is introduced by Fab India. So look at this thing. We need as a first thing Fab India, the company name. That is the first detail we have to enter. I can use something here. The conventional font size or conventional writing may not be very appealing or catchy. So while writing, we can go with something which attracts the advertisement industry, attract the customer. But here in your case, when you are preparing your ads for examination purpose, there also you can make some variations in the font style. How can we do? Maybe by using some pencil or maybe some kind of slanting of pen, you can create different kind of font size. If you can do that, that would be very attractive. One can try that also. I have shown this font size here, Fab India. This is similar to that. One can make it using pen also, or even in pencil we can create this kind of font. Anyhow, so then we go to the second thing, that is assurance of quality since 1960 is made here. It's on the one hand a common a kind of technique used by many companies. On the one hand, it is a catchy slogan. I mean, it's a kind of slogan that tells us the uniqueness of the company. On the other hand, it's a company detail. One can do this. Yavadanu kuda since certain age, certain date, idanella hakbodu now. We can see that is used here. Then we need a catchy slogan. So a common kind of, as I told you already, a rudimentary type of question, sentence, a basic structure of sentence can be used here also. The best choice for a healthy skin, because it's a herbal product that I'm going to make here on some kind of soap. Therefore, we can make it as healthy, the best choice for a healthy skin, because the soap that made up of herbs is good for skin ಅನ್ನುವ ಒಂದು proposition ಮೇಲೆ we can make the sentence as the best choice for a healthy skin. As I already told you, what is so important while creating all these things, USP or even slogan or even using image, what is needed is to think like a customer. I mean, think like a weaver, because most often we think like from our side. It's always important to think from the other side, the one who looks at it. So when you think like that, you will explore the ideas that are possible here. We move on to relevant picture. I can use a neem leaf, right? A kind of a bunch of leaf can be used here, or a tree, image of a tree can be used here. And then what I need, it's a product that is soap. Therefore, a soap image is always needed. You can see a soap. In the soap, company name and product name can be given. Basic element is that your image should consist of the company name and the product name. Certainly, you can add quantities. Ideshtu quantity idu anta helbodu. And certainly, you can add other details. USP adra enu turmeric ide inneno ide anta helbodu. That is the possibility, right? You can. Therefore, I told you already in the earlier videos that. Advertisement is a room for your creativity. It is not just a writing skill or composition skill. It's a room for your creativity. The more you think creatively, the better you come up with here, right? That's the thing. Anyhow, you can see the next thing. I'm giving you example of offer here. 50 ml Fab herbal oil free, right? Along with the Fab soap, neem soap, we have some 50 ml herbal oil free. That's the offer given here. And after that we have USP company name. Along with company name, we have brand new. The phrase brand new is used here, and the product name is again repeated. And USP, all the 5 points needed. Basically, we need 5 points ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. So 5 points can be ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ನಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ AIT ಅವರು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂತಹ 5 ಇದರಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ PDF ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಅದರಂತೆಯೇ we have 5 points here. Herbal soap with anti-germ quality, a blend of neem and aloe vera, retain skills, natural glow, chemical free, eco-friendly is a common sentence you can use for many products, available in number of varieties or variants like jasmine, sandal, lemon flavor. That this can be used. Then we have contact details in the form of website, and also we need a frame for it. A frame can be placed at the end or in the beginning, as I already told you. That can also observe the way space arrangement is made here. We needn't keep only USP on the left side, left alignment, and the right we have to go with off and all that. Hagilla, right? Anywhere, wherever, whichever you find convenient, whichever way is convenient for you, the way, in that way you can create it. For example, I placed USP on the right side here, image is there next to above that, and company name is here in the left alignment, and space is maintained between each usage. Space arrangement or catchy way, placing the things within the advertisement in a catchy way is very important. ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಕೂರ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದಕ್ಕೂ ಒಂದು ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಎದ್ದು ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೂಡ. ಈವನ್ an image, for example, if I connect this image, place this image amidst of all these letters, it doesn't get highlighted, right? That's why placing these things is a technique for you. You can follow that ಅನ್ನೋದು. And look at the whole thing. I think except the soap image and the leaf image, the remaining is made in black font using it looks like one can make using pencil or black pen. Similar thing, because you needn't carry lot of sketch pen and all that and make a colorful drawing in the exam. You can just do it using scale, pencil and pen with your creativity, right? That is possible. Then we move on to next example, model question number 7. That is about Apple company launching a new laptop with solar energy that retains a high battery life. There is some USP here. It's given here that with a high battery life and solar energy usage itself can become a USP. This is actually prepared by my student Bhavya. You can see the example here. Company name is used. See, the company name is used in a font somewhat similar to that of the company's writing. ಅವರು ಬರೆಯೋ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. And a product you can see MacBook Air ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. And relevant image is laptop image. Certainly for a laptop advertisement, a relevant image is laptop image. So within that laptop image you have that Apple image, right? That's the popular logo of Apple company. The same one is used. And also see offer is mentioned here, 25% discount on some product, that is, and the product is there here. And you can also see another image to show that it has got large display, that is used here. And there is the usage of USP here, right? You needn't use the word USP, you shouldn't, right? Not necessary. You can introduce the points USP one after another. And a bank offer is added here, right? 10% off on SBI credit card is added. Exchange offer is available. Another offer is placed here. 2 offer is placed here. You can also see exchange offer is available, and the website name is also there here for contact details. And for more details, contact this website. Again, we have one more thing. So, we can go with this. So, likewise, this advertisement also made a very good, technique of space arrangement. You can see the way company name is highlighted with a lot of space surrounding it, and then here you can give much more space, gap anna innu kodbodu annantaddu. So you can utilize the space of advertisement this way. This is one more example for Apple company laptop launched, and your add on that. That is the model question number 7. We have model question number 8, that is on Ponds. Right? Ponds company launches a new face powder, and here it's based on student Raksha's advertisement. See, title of the company is there here as Ponds, and R, you can see some kind of TM trademark or R is mentioned here in a circle. It's almost imitation of the exact Ponds ಕಂಪನಿ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಇಮೇಜನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ slogan, a popular slogan that you can use for any product as the assurance of better quality, that is used here. You can see assurance of better quality here. Dream flower is the variety, the product name here. And you can also see fragrant talk, pink lily variety. And safe and natural, that is another catchy slogan, which is attractive slogan is used here. And we have about 6 points as USP. So you can see, give you fresh floral fragrance. Look at the way language is used here. Gives you fresh floral fragrance. F sound is repeated, right? Using rhyming words or even repetition of this sound, F, that is actually a consonant sound. Repetition of that sound is alliteration in figure of speech, right? When you repeat the sounds, it appeals to the reader, it appeals to the ear, it looks nice, it attracts the people who have attraction for language, who can sense it, right? ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಅಪೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ಬಹುದು. ಹಾಗೆ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಫ್ಲೋರಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಗ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನುವ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಫ್ರೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಯು ಅದರ್ ವೆರೈಟೀಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್. ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ, ರೀಸನಬ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ಡ್, ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಆಫರ್ ಇಸ್ ಟಚ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬಿಲೋ, 10% discount on bulk orders, and contact details is also available, right? And look at the way image has gap here. ಈ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ನ ಮೂಲಕ ಇದು ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್, ಮೊನ್ನೆ ನಾನು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, ಸಮಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಎಂಟಿ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೈಲೆನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಟು ಮೆನಿ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಅಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ಸ್ ಎ ಲಾಟ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ದಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಂಟಿ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ, ದೇರ್ ವಿ breathe in and inhale and exhale. In between the gap between the inhale and exhale, the holding of the breath, that actually creates meditation, that actually contributes to the peace of mind. So you see the same thing here. I mean, empty space has got some meaning, right? We may think that it is only empty, but it isn't so. That actually highlights other thing here, right? That is another thing you can see in all the advertisements here. Then we have next question, that is model question number 9 on Sunsilk shampoo, that's prepared by Ms. Ekshita. You can see logo is used here, Sunsilk's logo. I mean, it has got a same kind of logo, the same logo is used here, Sunsilk. Then co-creations, company creations is there here. And then the other details, company details you can see here. It's a popular hair care brand having product for all types of hair variety, because variety of hair, for each one specified product is there ಅನ್ನೋ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Then we have for purifying hair growth, wanna have a long healthy hair, so that's the slogan, want to have, right? Then think of this wise choice is there here. So the product name is also here, right? You can see that. Then USP is also used here, 6 points USP. And offer is touched. Hurry up is a phrase, catchy phrase that is used here, right? You can also observe the way space is arranged, where the image is placed, and the gap between the company name and the slogan, between slogan and varying font size. Another interesting thing you see here is it is made by using blue pen pencil. ಇದನ್ನೇ ಬಳಸಿ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಥಿಂಗ್. ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಹಾಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೇಪರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಉದಾಹರಣೆ, ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ರಿಲೆವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ದಟ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ವೆರಿ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ advertisement using computer, because you get insert option, you can insert images, you can draw pictures there, but how to do it in the exam hall, right? So making this is possible ಅನ್ನೋದು, catchy advertisement is possible using just pen and pencil and scale. That is the example proved here. Anyhow, last example we have with us is the question on Johnson & Johnson's launching new soap for babies. So it's by Ms. Dikshita. You can see a relevant soap image. You can observe the way soap image here carries a number of subtle aspects which one can care for, right? You can see a barcode here on the image, right? That's the intricate detail the student has paid here. Then you can also see the company name, you can see the product name here, product name ide, then relevant logo type. It's not a logo actually, but the company name for Johnson & Johnson is written like this, and the one who made here practiced that also. I mean, showed it exactly the way company name is written, because this is also significant. I told you probably earlier that a product can have number of patents, number of copyrights, number of trademarks possible, right? The copyright is to do with the writing style, right? Here Johnson and Johnson is written in one font. The company holds copyright for that. One cannot imitate the same title in the same font, and one cannot produce a product again in the same name. If somebody does that, it becomes copyright infringement and punishment can be given to them. So that's why you can see each style here is important. ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೂಡ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹತ್ವ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. One can also try these things in making advertisement. ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. And we see other details for your baby's soft skin. Trust Johnson baby soap. A beautiful slogan. You can see trust, ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅನ್ನುವ ಒಂದು ಅಶ್ಯೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. And we have all the USP, relevant USP is for babies ಅನ್ನೋದು, ಮತ್ತೆ it comes with triple baby protection, enriched with lotion, vitamin E. So these are some of the things that the one who made this tried. And we love babies is another example of a witty statement or slogan at the end. You can go with even rectangular shape of it. This is in vertical, I mean A4 shape. You can also go with rectangular agi adannu kuda ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Depending upon your choice, you can try in any way ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ. These are the different examples. So at the end of this, I thank all those who contributed to these two videos for advertisement. That let's conclude this. That advertisement therefore is a public notice. It asks for a service or offers a service, buying or selling property and goods, and give information about missing persons or any thing like job, pets, such other things. And primary intention of making advertisement is to sell a product or commercial purpose, right? Commercial purpose, it is made with commercial purpose, therefore attracting the customers is the basic intention. So making it very catchy or attractive is very important. To do so, as we have seen in the example solved here, we use number of techniques, maybe using images, maybe varying font size, varying colors, different styles, ಇವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನ ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇವೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. So with that, I conclude this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.